Stop the video. Check your streaming apps right now. How many are actually yours? I'll wait. Done? You just confessed to a federal crime. And that's just number 1. Number 5. Put my college roommate in handcuffs during a traffic stop for something he did 3 years ago. Something so small he forgot about it. Cost him a night in jail and $2,000. And I guarantee you've done it too. Let me show you 5 things guys do every single day that are technically felonies. Things that feel normal. Things everyone does. Things that can actually destroy your life. I'm not talking about jaywalking. Not about downloading music. Not about fake IDs. I'm talking about laws with teeth. Laws prosecutors love. Because they're easy to prove and impossible to deny. Number 3 has a 5-year maximum sentence. Number 5 is happening to someone watching this video right now. And they're about to find out the hard way. Let's start with the one you're probably doing as I speak. Number 1. You're on someone else's Netflix. Right now. Or Hulu. Or Disney Plus. Or Spotify. Maybe it's your ex. Maybe your parents. Maybe your friend from high school. Doesn't matter. Here's what does. You're violating the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. The same federal law they use to prosecute hackers. Not kind of illegal. Not technically illegal. Actually illegal. Tennessee spelled it out in 2011. Accessing a computer system without authorization. That's you. That's now. But everyone shares passwords. Exactly. Everyone commits this felony. A dad in Nashville got charged. Made national news. They dropped the case after backlash. Know what didn't change? The law. It's still on the books. Still enforceable. Still waiting. Punishment? 1 year federal prison. $10,000 fine. For watching The Office on your roommate's account. But that's not the scary part. The scary part is why they keep this law active. Leverage. Prosecutors love charges they can stack. And this? 1? It's sitting in your pocket right now, waiting to be added to something else. Number 4 is worse. But first, let me show you the one that sent someone you know to court. Number 2. You recorded a phone call without telling them. Maybe your landlord being shady. Maybe a scammer calling you. Maybe a toxic ex. You hit record, got proof, protected yourself. Congratulations. You just committed a felony. 12 states require 2-party consent. Both people have to know about the recording. California, Florida, Pennsylvania, Illinois, Maryland, Washington, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Montana, New Hampshire, Oregon, Vermont. You record someone in these states without their knowledge? That's wiretapping. Illegal surveillance. A felony. Not a misdemeanor you pay a fine for. A felony that follows you forever. 5 years in prison. That's the sentence. But I was just protecting myself. Tell that to the guy in Maryland who recorded his boss being abusive. Wanted evidence for HR to prove the harassment. To save his job. Know what he got instead? Felony charges. The abuse investigation stopped. He got the criminal record. His boss got promoted. Real story. Real consequences. Real life destroyed. And that's just for recording. Number 3 doesn't even require intent. Just one mistake, one coffee shop, one wrong Wi-Fi network. Speaking of which, where are you right now? Because if it's public Wi-Fi, you might want to close your work email. Number 3, you checked work email on public Wi-Fi. Starbucks, airport lounge, hotel lobby, library, anywhere with free Wi-Fi. You logged into your company's system. You thought nothing of it. You should have. You just broke 2 laws simultaneously. First law, the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. Again, if your company's terms of use say secure networks only, and you ignored it, unauthorized access, you violated the access agreement. That's a federal crime. Second law, data protection. If any client information was on that screen, in that email, in that file, you exposed it. HIPAA if medical, FERPA if educational, CCPA if California customers, GDPR if European clients. One exposed email, that's all it takes. Real case, marketing executive, young guy, late 20s, checked client campaigns from a Starbucks. Same day, Data breach on that network wasn't even targeting him. He just got caught in the net. Didn't matter. Client data was exposed. He got fired, faced civil charges, negligence, $40,000 in legal fees. And here's the part nobody tells you. His insurance didn't cover it. Personal liability. He's still paying it off. That's number 3. And if you're thinking, that's paranoid, wait until you hear what number 5 did to someone over $45. But first, let me tell you about the crime you committed to watch this video. Number 4. You used a VPN to access content not available in your location. That UK show, that Japanese anime, that sports game. You changed your virtual location. You clicked play. You watched it. That's wire fraud. Not terms of service violation. Not against the rules. Wire fraud. A federal crime. Because you misrepresented information to access a service. That's fraud. And because it crossed state or international lines, that's wire fraud. Nobody gets prosecuted for this. Yet. Nobody gets prosecuted yet. Know what changed in the last year? Streaming services started working with ISPs to track VPN usage. They're building profiles. They're keeping records. They're not prosecuting now, but the data is there, logged, timestamped, waiting. One policy change. That's all it takes. One corporate decision, one government request, and suddenly that catalog of VPN usage becomes a catalog of federal crimes. Your ISP knows. The streaming service knows. It's documented, ready to be evidence. But you know what? Number 5 doesn't even need technology. Number 5 is paper. An old paper ticket. That's going to put you in handcuffs. Number 5. This is the one that's destroying lives right now. While you're watching this. While I'm recording this. Thousands of times a year. And nobody talks about it. Those parking tickets from college. Not from city police. From campus security. Campus parking enforcement. Those $40 tickets you got junior year. You graduated. You moved. You forgot. Life happened. Here's what else happened. The university contracted a collections agency. That agency reported it to credit bureaus. But some went further. They filed civil judgments with the county court. And in certain states, unpaid civil judgments become bench warrants, active warrants, for a parking ticket. From 3 years ago, my college roommate, real person, real story, pulled over in Virginia, broken taillight, cop runs his license, warrant hits, outstanding warrant from North Carolina. He gets arrested, on the spot, handcuffed, car impounded, night in jail. The warrant? A $45 parking ticket from sophomore year. He forgot about it, moved states, thought it disappeared. The cost? $1,800. Fine, court costs, impound fees, lawyer. He had to take 2 days off work, unpaid, almost lost his job. $45 became $2,000 and a night in jail. And here's the insane part. This happens constantly. Universities file these judgments in bulk, hundreds at a time. The courts process them automatically. Warrants get issued. Nobody notifies you. You just find out when you get pulled over. Or when you apply for a job and the background check shows an arrest record for a parking ticket you got when you were 20 years old. See the pattern now? These aren't real crimes. They're normal life. Everyone does them. They feel harmless, victimless, small. But they're not small on paper. On paper, they're felonies, federal charges, criminal records. And the system doesn't prosecute everyone, just some people. When it's convenient. When they need extra charges. When you're already in trouble. That Netflix password? That becomes pattern of unauthorized access. That recorded call? Additional felony counts. That public Wi-Fi incident? Negligent data exposure. That VPN usage? History of fraud. That parking ticket? That's what gets you arrested when nothing else will. These laws exist. Active, enforceable, waiting. And you're breaking them right now. So here's what you do today. Not tomorrow. Today. 1. Go online. Search for outstanding tickets. Your university's parking portal. Pay them. All of them. Even if it's been 5 years. 2. Screenshot everyone's streaming account you're using. Text them, "Hey, I'm still on your account. Is that cool?" Get explicit permission in writing. That changes unauthorized to authorized. 3. Google your state recording consent laws right now. Know the rules before you ever hit record again. 4. Delete work email from your phone or turn off Wi-Fi autoconnect. Use your data. Always. 5. The VPN thing is your call. Just know the risk is real and documented. Now rewatch this video, because I hid something in number 3. Something about data exposure and insurance. Something that makes all 5 of these connect in a way that's even more dangerous than I explained. I mentioned it once. For 3 seconds. Did you catch it? Most people miss it. Subscribe to Baseline Human Core. We decode the rules they don't tell you, the laws you're breaking, the systems designed to catch you, because knowing isn't paranoia, it's survival. And one more thing. If you have outstanding parking tickets right now, drop a comment. Just say, "Ticket." Let's see how many of us are walking around with warrants we don't know about.